This is probably the best view in the Philippines.
Last night I lost a bet, which means that now I'm taking on the plunge at Danao Adventure Park.
If you don't know, Troy's scared of heights. And this is quite high. Good luck!
Today was all about pushing limits. This beautiful adventure park is set in Bohol in the Philippines.
First up, I'm going to be taking on the plunge, and then after we're going to do a tandem Suislide.
It's the only park in Southeast Asia that offers a canyon swing experience.
I'm not comfortable even being here, let alone up there.
Okay, let's get this over with. We made our way to the entrance, got kitted up. I wasn't going anywhere without my camera, and then it was time to go.
This might be the most nervous I've ever been about doing anything in my life. This looks horrible. Okay. I am not okay with heights. Already just walking on here is quite a lot. Any kids at home watching, I apologize for any language. Hold on here. Yes? Okay.
Try to sit down and not from them until minute.
Try to sit down?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Horrendous. Okay. Oh, I'm not happy about this at all. Don't look down, right? Don't look down.
How are you already?
I'm super.
3 to 1, bombs away.
Bombs away. Is the scariest thing I've ever done in my life. Also, they said at the start there's only one harness, so if you don't fit you can't go, and they said yeah, like a little bit heavier than me or a little bit bigger than me, then you can't go. So just so you know, it cost in 2025 850 pesos, which is like 12 euros or something. And I am currently just talking to the camera because I really don't want to look down.
How was it?
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Now Asha has to try for sure.
I feel nervous looking at this, but it's kind of what I should do, right? Everybody should do it. I'm not feeling great about it.
First time?
Doing this, yeah.
3 to 1, bombs away.
If you're asking why there is no video of me jumping, I did do it, but the camera was full. So
And why was the camera full?
right here, right now, right here,
Super.
right now. Moja mama jeszcze nie wie, że skoczyłam, także jak znacie moją mamę, to Now for the more chilled activity, we are doing Suislide. This place is massive. You can do so many different activities, and also you can buy packages. Baby.
Did you get that in the camera?
Maybe. Let's check. So you can buy packages. Once again, this place is massive and has so many different activities, and also you can buy different packages.
And the package we chose was the plunge and Suislide.
Hello.
For those of you not brave enough to take on the plunge, this is a more chilled experience, but still not great if you have a fear of heights.
You look funky.
The Suislide you can do solo or tandem.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I wouldn't say ready, but yeah, sure, I guess. Oh, we're going backwards. Good. Here we go. way to just drop in. What goes up must go down, or what goes to one side must go back. If you do the Suislide, you go from one cliff to the other, and then you have to go back again. So it's kind of two for the price of one.
I think it was more scary than the plunge, honestly, because you were just lying down there and you're like, cool, is it gonna hold? Maybe because we were together, and on the plunge I was alone and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna drop and then I'm gonna just...
Because on this one you've got all of my extra weight.
And you also face down, you're like, cool, I'm just lying down here, my hands are not touching anything, I have zero control of anything.
This is another activity that you can do while you're here. It's the glass walk, which you need to book the Suislide for, because you need to come across to the other side of the cliff before you actually do this activity. We're not going to do it because I've seen Squid Game and I don't trust walking on the glass. Okay, round 2.
That was fun. And the view, oh my goodness. Now with the sun going down, beautiful.
Then we went to look at some of the other activities that were available, including the hamster wheel, the massive zip bike tower, and finally the giant swing.
Where are you taking me? It's the most beautiful view.
If you time it right and head down towards the giant swing, you've got this view for sunset.
This is probably the most beautiful view in the Philippines. Let us know in the comments. Would you visit this park? Would you take on the plunge?
That was our day at Danao Adventure Park. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.
And don't forget to come here for a sunset.